Now guys, thank you for checking ACUMAN. This is Alex. Welcome to my mouse for today. I have a bad breath for today. And welcome to office this morning. My boss was angry because he think I'm disrespecting him because I think he has a bad breath. It's a little bit twisty, right? Well, you can't blame me with that. I just ate some sticky tofu for last night. Oh, speak of, sorry for that. By the way, what is sticky tofu? It's a really interesting Chinese street food. The chef will ferment the tofu for a while and make it smelly, then cook it. Well, it smells like the old socks you forget, but accidentally found it after 6 months under your bed. Well, it's pretty awful, huh? In any case, in this kind of situation, what should we do? Luckily, I have my shifu, who's a grandmaster of Chinese medicine, Kung Fu, and Kung Pao Chicken. He used to tell me, don't panic, Alex. In this kind of situation, you just need to press one acupoint, and then it can kill your bad breath. So, which acupoint? Let's find it out. The acupoint we're gonna press for today is called 大陵穴. So, where's 大陵穴? It's in the inside part of our wrist. It's right in the middle, which means here. My chef told me that 大陵 can help our spleen and stomach to run more smoothly, so that we can better digest our food. This is also why the acupoint can solve the problem of bad breath. So, how should we press 大陵穴? We're gonna use our thumb to find the 大陵穴. Press it for 3 to 5 minutes. And by pressing this point, we should press it a little bit hard until you feel a little bit sore with this point. Then it is okay. By the way, here's another thing. By pressing 大陵穴, you have to at least press it twice a day for at least 1 week. Then it can totally kill your bad breath. If you had a bad breath problem for right now, you have to get some double mint. That's the best solution, right? My shifu used to told me, 四肢皆灵气于胃, which means your stomach is not only a digestive organ, but also an important organ to control and operate your limbs. So next time, even though you don't have the bad breath problem, you can still press 大陵穴 to make your whole body healthier. Alright, that's today's ACUMAN. If you like our program, just subscribe to us or leave your comments below. Okay, until next time, bye!